We acquired this new build facility during the summer of 2022. There are several different stages from start to finish, which I will be showing you today. In total, we have around 22,000 square meters of production space here. First, we take a closer look at the GRP construction shed and outfitting shed. You will also see the warehouse and how we launch the Final Yachts. Afterwards, you can also join us for a tour of our offices where we develop our models from scratch, starting with the initial design. This shipyard focuses on the production of the Silent-60 series. Our 80 and 120 series are being produced in Turkey, so stay tuned for another video on that. It all starts in the GRP construction shed, of course with a safety helmet. Since the acquisition about 1 year ago, we significantly increased the workforce in this shed. Right now we have about 100 of us working on more than a dozen of yachts here in this construction site. This is where we create the glass fiber reinforced plastic hull, as well as all the other parts of each yacht with the help of the molds. We make use of a modern closed mold vacuum infusion manufacturing process, which results in far stronger, lighter and stiffer hulls. It also helps to increase production efficiency and minimizes emissions through the reduction of required resources. Step by step, the yachts are starting to take shape as all the parts are being put together. We are now entering the outfitting shed. Once the GRP parts have been produced, they are moved here, and here we do the installation of all technical components and the final assembly. This is where all the outfitting is done. Cabling, interior furniture, electronics, propulsion system, including the solar array, dual electric motors, and our latest update, the liquid-cooled batteries. All the essential components of our drivetrain are being stored in our warehouse, right next door to our assembly shed. Here you can see the 400-watt solar panels, the state-of-the-art electric motors, and as mentioned before, our latest liquid-cooled batteries. They offer several advantages when it comes to overall cooling efficiency, temperature distribution, safety and performance. Once a yacht is completed, we put it into the water and we run all the functionality tests of all the onboard systems like air conditioning, galley equipment and of course the drivetrain. During this last stage of commissioning, we conduct final technical tests and sea trials prior to delivery. This is also where we make sure that all the interior details are perfectly executed, everything on board is working smoothly and operates as expected. This particular Silent-60, for example, is equipped with a 4-cabin front master configuration. There is a camera surveillance system on board. Another highlight are the fully black accents around the rear window of the main deck. Generally, a highlight of the 60 series is a spacious saloon with vast seating and a galley that connects the interior with the aft cockpit. A lot of the magic happens at our office. This is where the customer journey begins, when creating their personal Silent. We do our best to implement as many eco-friendly materials as possible and prioritize working with local companies to further reduce our carbon footprint. Here you can see an overview of all the projects we are currently working on. Everybody in our team believes in the vision of Silent-Yachts. We work towards it together. Our people are the solar cells that power this company. 20 years ago, Heike and I had this dream of making sustainable luxury yachting possible. They are the ones that turned it into reality.